Hello, myself Rajiv Verma, a first year student at IIT Guwahati, currently pursuing my BTech in Chemical Science and Technology branch. So today, as a part of ME110 Project 2, Best Out of Waste, I will be preparing a decorative item or a showpiece which is the model of a cycle. So let's hop onto our table. So for this, we will be requiring copper wire, two set of pliers, a cutter or a multi-cutter, blade, soldering wire and soldering iron. This is the blueprint of our model where the dimensions can be easily seen. So let us start by shaping the wire using a circular object. Here we are using a glass. This should be done carefully so that the wire doesn't get D-shaped. So we have prepared the basic structure of the two wheels of our cycle. Now solder the joints using a soldering iron and a soldering wire. After you have done that, take a wire and break it into small pieces for making the spokes of the wheel. After you have done that, solder it so that the pieces are in place. Repeat the same things for the second wheel. Now use our drawing to cut the wire into suitable size so that the upper part of the cycle is made. Using soldering, join the pieces once again. The two wheels are now almost ready. Now use a sandpaper to rub the ends of the wires so that the joints are made strong. Now using the soldering and the pliers suitably, prepare the upper portion of the cycle. Join the parts again using the soldering iron. Using a soft wire, prepare the chain area of the cycle. Yet again, use soldering to join the parts. We can see the progress we have made so far. Let us now prepare the handle and the seat of the cycle. Use the techniques of soldering and the wire once again. Now take a piece of wire and bend it suitably so as to prepare the pedal of the cycle. And solder it so that it does not move. Now the last task is to prepare the stand of the cycle. So the final model is now ready. You can have a look at it.